the heart of the whispering woods, Kody the koala lounged lazily on his favorite eucalyptus tree. His soft gray fur shimmered in the dappled sunlight, and his round, plush ears twitched to the sounds of the forest. "Two heads are cooler than one," he hummed to himself, a saying his mother often chanted. Below Kody's lofty perch, Rosalind, a fluffy white rabbit with curious red eyes, hopped through the underbrush. She was known for her quick wits and quicker hops, but today a frown creased her usually cheerful face. The forest's annual Great Green Gathering was just around the corner, and there was a big problem. The watermelon patch, the centerpiece of the gathering, had been raided. Only rinds and seeds were left scattered on the ground. Rosalind knew that without the watermelons, the feast would be ruined. "Two heads are cooler than one," she muttered, recalling Kody's favorite phrase as she pondered over the puzzle. Kody, hearing the commotion, slid down the tree trunk with surprising agility for a typically sleepy koala. His nose twitched, picking up the scent of worry and watermelon. When he saw Rosalind's distressed face, he knew he had to help. Together, they inspected the patch and found tiny footprints leading away from the scene. "Two heads are cooler than one," they said in unison, and set off following the tracks, determined to retrieve the missing fruit and save the gathering. The trail led them to the den of Darcy the dingo, who lay napping beside a pile of watermelon. Kody and Rosalind exchanged a worried glance. They couldn't just take the watermelon back. They needed a clever plan. Rosalind had an idea. "What if we trade something Darcy likes more than watermelon?" Kody's eyes brightened. They knew Darcy loved playing fetch more than anything. "Two heads are cooler than one," they cheered, already forming a plan. They returned to the patch and gathered sweet-smelling eucalyptus leaves and sturdy sticks, perfect for a game of fetch. Rosalind then bravely hopped into Darcy's den and offered the trade. Darcy's tail wagged with excitement, and she agreed without hesitation. The watermelons were returned just in time for the Great Green Gathering. Kody and Rosalind were hailed as heroes, and the feast was more joyous than ever. As they watched their friends celebrate, they smiled at each other and whispered, "Two heads are cooler than one." Hey there, thanks for listening to our story today. If you want to get a new story every day, make sure to subscribe. Or, if you want to generate your own customized stories using the power of AI, download the Storigami app for iPhone and iPad today.